Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today me and my younger brother Anthony will be going out on this snowy day and making some recipes with snow and bringing you guys along. Anyways, let's just get started. And of course he's wearing literal shorts.
I was at my basketball game.
So first up, we have some Prime in the strawberry watermelon flavor, and Anthony's just gonna pour some of it in the snow.
Holy. Basically just disintegrated.
Oh yeah. Go get a spoon. And now we're gonna mix it up.
Maybe put a little more.
Mix it up. And I can just eat it.
Okay, let's try.
Pretty good. That is the first recipe. Now I'm gonna try to make some snow ice cream with some milk, vanilla extract, this marshmallow whipped cream, and some chocolate chips to top it off. So I'm gonna go collect some snow and I'll be back.
There she goes.
So you can find a lot of recipes of this online, but I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of wing it. So I'm just gonna add some milk first. And kind of mix that in. Kind of looks like peat snow. Snow with peat on it. Now we're gonna add this marshmallow whipped cream from Target. Mix all of that in. Okay, it's getting kind of ice creamy. Now I'm only gonna add a tiny bit of vanilla extract. That's not much. And now we're gonna add in some chocolate chips. It has this smooth kind of consistency. All right, now it's time to try it. So we're gonna get a piece with some chocolate chips.
Good.
That's better than I made it last time.
Okay.
Because I made an old video where I made this snow cream, but I made it differently. But I think this is a good addition to make it actually taste more ice creamy. That's pretty good. So if you guys got snow out, you gotta go make these recipes. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!